Yo, what's going on, JD? Yo, what's up, man? It's your man Ramses Routier. Um, you know, out of the VA. Just wanted to comment on your video. I liked it. It was cool. It was cool, man. That that Westwood interview was cool, son. I seen you on the turntables. Yo, the headphones are sick. I mess with those, man. Let me know what them joints are. I ain't never. Seen them joints before. I just thought them joints looked tight. Um, but yeah, you know, I just want show you some love. Like I said again, man, I hate you on the Twitter. I hate you on the Twitter. You already know twitter.com/Ramses RAMSES Routier ROUTIER. I hate you up on the Twitter. I don't know if you'll see it or not. I know mad people be hitting you up. I understand. You're popular. You're a busy man, but just want to send a shout out to y'all. Your man Jonte, Nelly Nell, International, Bow Wow, B Cox. Man, if I'm forgetting somebody, I'm slumming. But just want to send a shout out to all y'all. Y'all some cool peoples, man. Y'all doing the thing. I like these living a life joints. I watch these joints on the reg. Like every time I'm on YouTube, I'm checking for the new joints. Or sometimes I'll be watching the old joints when they in my recommended to you. Them joints is cool. But like I said, man, keep doing you. Hope you and Janet are doing well. Hope life's doing well for all y'all, man. Y'all be easy, Oceans. Deuce.